If you want to force turn off Google Pixel Watch 3, by the way, not restart, just turns off, first of all, you will have to click and hold on these two buttons, the Crown Control button and this Google Assistant button. So click and hold them at the same time, and now you will get this Google Assistant, but after we start holding this for like 5 to 10 seconds, it will actually turns off our device. And now when the Google logo appears, we have to double tap right here. And as you can see right now, we just enter for the fastboot mode. So now we have to click on this side button. And now with the Crown Control, we can click to scroll down. Take a look. Right here we got some information. When we click on the Chrome button, we can just go back. And right here we have to keep tapping until we select the power off. So we have to scroll with this button and now select power off. And this is the only way how we can force to turn off your Google Pixel Watch 3, not restart, because restarting is a different process. Sometimes people are misleading with these YouTube videos. Thanks for watching. Right now, please subscribe.